I'm excited to introduce the newest addition to our range of electric wheelchairs, the MovingStar MS101 SF. Previously known as the Joyrider, the MS101 is an ultra-lightweight electric wheelchair that splits into two parts for easy handling and transport. To separate the frame, pull the pins and twist them. Now step on the anti-tip wheel. This will allow you to easily lift the frame off the rear section. Collapse the frame and you are ready to load. Weighing in at only 1.2 kilograms for the battery, 8.2 kilograms for the frame and 12.1 kilograms for the drive unit. It features a weight capacity of 115 kilograms and a battery range of up to 15 kilometers on a single charge. Assembling this electric wheelchair is just as easy. Lift the parts out of your boot. Step on the anti-tip wheels and line up the frame with the drive unit. Now twist the pins, ensuring they retract completely. Connect the magnetic battery cord and you are done. You can now operate your electric wheelchair with the joystick. I hope you have enjoyed this video. To try it out for yourself, simply pop into one of our showrooms or get in touch with us for a free in-home test ride. Motobility, you've got a friend.